What happens when you train with kettlebells weekly, consistently? Most people see the kettlebell as something just in the corner of the gym, something you can finish a workout with. Maybe do some swings, maybe some squats, maybe carry it around for a little bit, but it's so much more than that. What if the kettlebell could be your number one piece of training equipment? Something that can build strength, build functional strength, burn fat, improve aerobic capacity, your cardio, your conditioning, all in one piece of equipment, and help your body to move better, feel stronger, and move so you can just move day to day and just feel and be your best. Today, I'm going to show you and tell you the top reasons why the kettlebell is going to help you do that. Science-backed research, and we're going to break into some top reasons why the kettlebell could be your next answer to burning fat, building strength, doing so safely, and building functional movement that's going to help you feel better year after year. So first off, let's talk about with the kettlebell versus traditional training. Traditional training, the problem with that is it takes a long time. You're in the gym, you're doing sets of, your chest training, your triceps, your biceps, you're just breaking the exercises apart. You're doing isolation exercises. Okay, then you have to do cardio on top of that. Okay, I have nothing against that. That's where I started. I started doing traditional training back in 2001, actually. Kettlebells weren't around, or they were just in its infancy in the US, but I started traditional training. There's nothing wrong with that. It just takes a lot of time, especially when you're younger, you have more time, then great. You can spend 1 or 2 hours in the gym, you can get in traditional sets and reps and splits, and it's a great way to build strength. But what if you want something that's going to give you the strength, the cardio conditioning, the functionality, the functional movement, and mobility in one piece of equipment in a fraction of the time? That's where the kettlebell comes in. That's the answer to you if you're looking for that. Quicker, shorter, more effective, and workouts you can do anywhere. I'm here in my gym. I don't need to go to the gym. I can go to the gym, but I can have a bell here as well as other type of bells here. So that's all you need. So today I'm going to show you real quick how and why the kettlebell can be your answer. First one is going to be the results you're going to expect with the kettlebell. Okay, the kettlebell is so unique in its shape. Obviously, it looks completely different than anything else. It forces your body to work and it recruits an entire set of new muscles down your back, around your core, around your spine, and it forges a rock solid core. Kettlebell forges rock solid core, rock solid brace, because your body has to stabilize all the movements from the swing and the squat. So when you're swinging the belt, your body has to stabilize that weight. Your core is braced. When you're doing a goblet squat, you're braced, your abs are engaged, so you don't fall forward. Okay, you're driving up. Okay, it has to engage so many more muscle groups than just doing isolation exercises, other type of exercises. That's why I love the kettlebell. That leads to the next thing. As you're doing these movements, you're going to elevate your heart rate. You're going to shoot it up. It's going to increase and improve and build a powerful cardio engine. Your heart rate's going to be working. Your multiple muscle groups, your entire body's going to be working, especially with the swing and the kettlebell snatch. And if you put this into a full body workout, it's going to give you the strength, the cardio conditioning all in one, and improve your cardiovascular output and aerobic capacity, meaning you can do more work in less time and still feel good at aerobic level. That was a study by ACE, American Council on Exercise, where they put people through a kettlebell training program, okay? And what they found is they were burning up to 20 calories a minute with kettlebell training, swings, snatches, cleans, all that stuff, presses, squats. That's equivalent to running a 6-minute mile with kettlebell training. That's that aerobic capacity and powerful aerobic energy that you can build with a kettlebell, right? Which leads to step 3, or benefit number 3. You develop functional strength, functional fitness. Like I just covered, the abs, the core, your legs, your core, everything's working to balance that weight that's moving through space powerfully, especially with the swing and the squat. When you're swinging that kettlebell, your body has to stabilize that weight and balance it so your abs are fired, your glutes are fired, everything's braced, and it has to support your whole body. So it's working overtime. The kettlebell is inefficient. That's why you're going to get so much more out of it in less time than traditional just functional machine training or things like that. So that is just real world strength. And it's functional. It's functional. What's functional? Meaning you can do, it's going to help you do other things in life, in your day-to-day, in your whatever else you're doing easier, because you're going to be stronger in a functional way. Your body is how it learns to move in one unit, not just isolated exercise like bicep curls or tricep extensions or leg extensions or whatever. It's one functional movement. And that's what the kettlebell teaches you to do, is train your body in a functional way so that everything else is easier in life. That's functional strength. You want to feel stronger, and not just in the gym, but in life and doing other things, and climbing a mountain and going rock climbing if you do that, hiking, mountain biking, whatever else you do, just playing with your kids, or going on a hike, or doing whatever you're doing, you're going to be able to do that easier with kettlebell training. Functional strength. All right. So, and like I mentioned, the swing, the goblet squat, the Turkish get up, those are powerful, excellent exercises that combine the foundational kettlebell or foundational human movement patterns into the kettlebell. So you have your hinge, your squat, your rotation, your anti-rotation, you have your lunging. All that can be done with a swing, a goblet squat, and one of my favorites, the kettlebell Turkish get up. All right. Once you learn those movements, you're able to hit everything in 1 and 2 or 3 exercises with one belt. Get the strength, get the cardio, get the fat burning, get your inner furnace burning, and you're gonna have the afterburn effect, the after cardio burn effect of training this high intensity, which could be at just like HIIT training, high intensity interval training, when you're ready for that. But you don't need to go there first. Once you get there, you can enjoy those many benefits. But you start out from a foundation level, and you build up to that level, and you're able to perform at that level with a better aerobic base and aerobic capacity, like I mentioned, and you're able to do it safely, effectively, and with functional strength that allows you to do that with the heavier and heavier kettlebell naturally. Okay, and I have to mention this one, with the kettlebell grip, thick kettlebell grip, it's going to forge and strengthen with a thick kettlebell handle, it's going to forge and strengthen your kettlebell, your grip. So when you're doing swings, especially one-arm swings even, you have you're squeezing that bell, you're doing swings, and you're having to squeeze that handle and prevent the bell from shooting forward. You're having to stabilize, squeeze your grip. Also, your core's firing, your obliques are firing, your entire core, your inner abs are working and getting stronger, which are your transverse abdominis. And so you have actual functional strength that's going to support your lower back, and everything that's going to allow you to stay safe while you're doing any movement, other movements. Okay, so it's core bracing, core strength, grip strength from the thickness of the kettlebell. It's another benefit of the kettlebell training. All right, and last one, this might be the favorite here, is you're going to improve your body composition. So what is that? Body composition is a decrease in body fat and increase in muscle. Okay, decrease in body fat, increase in muscle. It's basically the holy grail. You're losing body fat, you're building muscle, you're recomposing your body image, how it looks, because body fat takes up a lot more space than a pound of body fat versus a pound of muscle. A pound of body fat is like this big, amount of mass. A pound of muscle is smaller. So you're going to shrink, you're going to be smaller, but you're going to be, it's going to be with strong muscle, functional muscle, and it's going to be something that you can be proud that you built with the kettlebell training in a lot less time than traditional gym training, if that's something you're looking for. And so simplicity. That's one of my favorites of the kettlebell swing, is the simplicity. All you need is one bell, maybe 2 bells. When you're first starting, all you need is a kettlebell. Get the skills down, get the swing, get the goblet squat, get all the foundational movements. You have your swing, okay, your powerful swing. Then you also have your goblet squat, which is a strong, powerful leg strengthener, ab engage. And then you also have, let's hit some back. Okay, well, let's do the kettlebell row. Same kettlebell. You just roll that kettlebell nice and strong, okay? Kettlebell row, okay? And if you're ready to do some strength work, some shoulder work, and you got the kettlebell clean and press. Again, one kettlebell. You're just cleaning that bell up, pressing it overhead, okay? Just like that. Some kettlebell military press. And of course, the get up, which I won't get into, it's a little bit of a longer exercise, but that time and attention is gonna give you full body functional movement. So those 3 to 4 exercises, you start with those, you're gonna build powerful strength, functional strength, burn fat, cardio, conditioning, everything with just one bell, like I just demonstrated. If that's something you're looking for, and you want to do that, and you want to work out to do that with, I made a 10-minute full body kettlebell workout with the swing, the row, the clean, the press, the goblet squat, the deadlift even, that you can do in 10 minutes. Free workout when you're ready to start. KB10 if you want that. All right, otherwise, here's a simple routine I want you to follow. Something simple. You start out with your deadlifts, okay? You do about 8 to 10 deadlifts. Bow by your heels. You knock out about 8 to 10 deadlifts, okay? You rest about a minute or two. Then you do a couple swings, okay? You do 5 swings. And then after that, you rest it out, you shake it out, you do 5 goblet squats. Nice, controlled, pulled down, and then power it up, okay? 5 of those. And then you go into some back training, like I just showed you. You do some rows, 5 kettlebell rows per side. Alternate that, do about 5 to 10 rounds of that. That's your workout. And then when you're ready for the 10-minute full body kettlebell workout that I have for free, you drop a KB10, I'll shoot it over to you. Otherwise, I have every single kettlebell exercise, technique, demonstration, coaching, break it down, how to do it right here in this playlist here. Check that out now. Watch the videos, rewatch this video, start to build the kettlebell strength and functionality that you know you want. Simply with one kettlebell in your gym, your home gym, your garage, at the park, in the gym if you want to go to the gym, or wherever, with one kettlebell. And if you stick with me, I'm going to show you how to do it correctly, safely, and with proper technique every single time. Real quick, if you like this video, let me know below. Let me know what you liked about it. What was your number 1 tip that I helped you realize that the kettlebell might be for you, or it just reinforced that, you know what, you're in the right track. If you're already doing kettlebell training, you're in the right place, right? So let me know below. Share with someone that you know needs to see this, who wants to change up their routine, who wants to get fit, get strong, get healthy, burn fat, build functional strength with kettlebells. Share that with them. Let's get them on the road. Let's get them on the process of learning it correctly and safely. Otherwise, I'll see you in this next video here, how to do the kettlebell, or which one pops up for you with my kettlebell playlist, my technique, my coaching right here. Until then, keep training, keep doing your kettlebell swings, keep doing your deadlifts, your rows, your kettlebell. Start with that routine I just gave you, KB10 for the full body workout. Keep training after it, keep getting strong, get after it, train strong. I'll see you in the next video.